Alrighty. Hello, my friends. It is your friend, CryptoFace, and today, tonight, this evening, this morning, wanted to do a video. It's been a while since we did one. We've really just been live streaming, and man, the trades that personally I have done, I gotta pat myself on the back lately. Just been killing it. Just, on our stream, and even winning trade wars. That was a month-long thing, once or twice a week. Won it. Did maybe 7 or 8 trades total. And didn't have one that wasn't a winner. Every trade went green. Live. Open and close. So no one can complain. But who cares about that? But yeah, last trade was good. I don't know if I closed it live, but we ended up with a little doober. A doober's a dub, but bigger. A little 200 thou wow. We're gonna call that a doober from now on. So I'll take it. Anyways, I figured we'd kind of just go off the top and kind of work our way down, looking at the weekly here with Bitcoin. Potentially little worrisome, little bit of curvature potentially to the downside. And we've had a lot of movement to the upside. It was a lot, and it was pretty fast. Still looks very nice. But it, nothing lasts forever. And this move was, at least for me, so good to the point where, you could be in danger of getting long drunk. And, again, I'm just talking about myself. I had to make sure I reminded myself not to get greedy as I've done before and let a trade hold and get starry-eyed, wide-eyed and round-faced, bright-eyed and bushy-tailed. And I think I did a great job at checking myself. I think a lot of you have, just looking at the profit logs and kind of keeping my ear to the ground with you guys, whether it's my Discord or the YouTube chat. Overwhelmingly, I know I've said it numerous times here lately, but overwhelmingly, man, you guys have really improved just overall, compared to 5 or 6 years ago. A lot more seasoned traders. So, yeah. Anyways, again, looking at the weekly, beginning curvature here on the momentum. DBSI starting to weaken. Let's enhance. Looking at the 5-day, we have a clipping of the momentum wave. It is a high wave. It is above the 60 line here. The VWAP is slightly inward curved as compared to outwardly curved, which is something that, that's a good bullish sign. But, the price might have to come down to here. Or, I tell you what, these darn spider lines, when you switch them off log, they work just the same. Where do we think she's got to go down to? Looking at the 4-hour here, overall money flow's been down. 6-hour, overall money flow's been down. Got a momentum kind of trigger wave to the downside You know, might be something to short here. Might be something to short. Inward curve, little VWAPage here on the 4 hour. We are in the red here on the 2 hour. Kind of jogging. I don't know. This, I might, whee, couple of blood diamonds on the 30-minute. Few mixed signs, but it leans bearish. You know, we might have to consolidate here. Might have to consolidate a little bit. This 38,000 has been resistance. She touched it, whipped down, curved down, came up, bap, got back down here. You know, is that a sign of weakness? Perhaps. Perhaps. I'm kind of not really leaning. I'm not really leaning hard any which way. Well, no, I think actually it kind of looks like it needs to cool off a little bit. I think she needs to cool off a little bit. So we might have some overall downside price action. Again, she's going to go up and down and zig and zag, but overall downside action. And I believe we're going into the weekend. What's today? Friday? Thursday? Friday? Sunday? And I believe the past weekend or two actually have been kind of weak price action. Unlike the two before it, which we were pumping. I know what's been important for me is rest. Rest. I kind of missed out. I'm pretty sure I missed out this whole move to the downside. I was out asleep and not in any trades. I know I slept for a good full day, and I think I took 2 days off. Yeah, I know I haven't traded. I haven't done the shorts. I haven't hit the downside action. I've just been hitting the upside action. That I know. Certainly have been buying altcoins with the profits. What I made like 100 grand, took that, bought some. I've taken like 100 in a Duber and bought in shit coins and have some ready to buy more on a dip. PEPE, say what you want to say about my PEPE. But PEPE's been holding its value pretty darn good against Bitcoin and everything else for a meme coin. But it does get sold. You know, pretty sure scammers are the one who made this damn coin. So, you know, gotta be careful. Gotta be careful. You know, scammers make all these damn coins. I think if you create a cryptocurrency out of thin air, you got a little bit of scammer in you. That's why I never done it, you know. Kind of the same thing with NFTs. There's a little bit of a scammer in you. But I guess maybe one day we'll release PD the pencil neck NFT. But I want to do it in the least scammiest way, that's for sure. Anyways, let's take a look at Ethereum. It's go to the 2 weeks. I know it was looking deadly there on the 2 week. Was looking deadly. Money flow has been continuing to the downside. This has been weakening. Man, this, man. We kind of have a fight right here. Money flow has decreased just like it decreased here. Was in the red. And then money came back in. Price pumped up to a new high. Let's change this. Dang, it says the 2 week. Each candle's 2 weeks. That's crazy. You know? Dang. It's kind of a fight right here. Money flows in the red. Curving back up. Let's go to the weekly. Dang. Huh. What the heck? What does that look like compared to Bitcoin? Shoot. Dang it. Darn, I'm recording on new software here, and I don't know how to. Here, let me see here. Ooh, boy. Dang, that works. That actually works when you're just recording. Oh. Hang on a sec here, folks. Okay. All right. And bada bing. I got a message from my friend on Steam, so I didn't want to pull up his information on here. Anyways. VWAP starting to kind of curve over on Ethereum. But other than that, it looks good. I mean, the weekly on Bitcoin again. Oh, man. Again. Yeah, she might have to cool off a little bit, but then go up again after that. So I think I'm a weenie bearish short term, in the immediate short term, a weenie bear, but a beanie bull. Just like Beanie Babies. That's the reference. So I'm a weenie bear, a teeny weenie bear, but I'm a beanie bull. That's what we're thinking. Fuck, I saw gold was at 2,000 for a little bit. Oh, look at that. Oh, wow, it's almost at 2,000. Doesn't matter. It's not going to go over 2,000. It's going to pretty much stay at 2,000 forever. Pretty much. Let's look at some commodities. Continue with commodities. Sugar. Man. Number one ingredient in food in America. Just skyrocketed. How much has it gone up since the start of the year? Price of sugar has gone up 60%. 60%. They should. They should judge the price of or the number of inflation in relation to commodities, not their BS calculation they use now. They change all the time. Let's look up this shitcoin. UFO. Okay, it's a gaming token. Ooh, baby. Okay, that was the daily. Damn. Man, I wish I got in this like a week earlier, but this shit token was doing one of my top performers in shit tokens that I acquired. I am financially and mentally preparing myself for the possibility of one more drop down to the low. Still, I do have fiat set aside on my OTC people, where I buy Bitcoin, and I have a couple limit entries at 21,000. I mean, it would be cool if, you know, we just keep going up, but, you know, I think that's about it, guys. Yes, we will do a Black... I have never been asked so many times if we're going to be doing a Black Friday sale. Market Cipher has had a Black Friday through Cyber Monday sale every year since the dawn of its time. I don't think it'll be any difference. No, there is no update with Secret Weapon, but I'll give you a small update. I'm pushing back the release of it because I think there's something else I'm working on that I think I want to include with it too. So don't ask me for any updates. When there is an update, I'll give it to you. Until that day, forget I ever even said anything about it. Also, coming up December 2nd, our man, Platinum, a.k.a. Market Cipher Mike Perry, is taking on Eddie Alvarez, BKFC. Also, we're sponsoring Big Ben Rothwell too, so looking forward to that. It's coming up in like 2 weeks. Thanksgiving's right around the corner. Enjoy the time with, you know, your family and stuff. I guess it's a week away. I don't gotta say nothing yet about it, but it's the winter. It gets darker earlier for the northern hemisphere. Hell, it must mean it gets lighter earlier for the southern hemisphere. Little head and shoulders on the momentum on the 15-minute time frame here. Little bit of money flow. Is she curving? Is she curving? She was curving. We'll see if it's got any strength in it. I don't know. Man, I'm seeing kind of cross action. Man, we are thick on where we are in a thick money flow on the dailies. Thick money flow on the dailies, man. I don't know, maybe she's got a little bit left in her. I kind of want a long. I went to immediate short-term long. So maybe she can get a little something. But in the hourlies, man, money flows down. Diverging. Anyways. No shocking revelations, I guess, on this video, but just wanted to talk with you guys. I know a lot of you maybe don't watch the live streams or aren't able to, but I appreciate all of you, and I hope you're all doing well. And thanks for being Thanks for being there for me. It takes a lot to say something nice about somebody else on the internet. And the fact that so many of you do that, I just think the world of you. And by golly, I tell you what, I'm going to make you a deal. When the next bull run is officially here, I'll tell you what. If or when Bitcoin breaks its all-time high, we'll have a cruise party. An official CryptoFace cruise. And we're going to Mexico. And the rest, we're just going to have to leave to our imagination. And we're going to be in them streets when the cruise stops in them streets. You know what I'm saying? Other than that, maybe you'll see me live, maybe not. Thank you for being here. Thank you for listening. I'll talk to you guys later. God bless. Peace be with you. And thank you. Goodbye.